I just cleared Philippines Customs and Immigrations, and now we're looking for Elvie. She should be here somewhere. She says she's waiting. I don't see her. Okay, well so far I don't see her. She messaged me and told me she was here, so I think she's here somewhere. Let me send her a message until I just came out. Alright, so I took a break and messaged her, and she said she's on the outside. So here we go. Let's see if we see her here.
Elvie and I met online in 2020 when I was planning a trip to the Philippines. That trip had to be canceled due to COVID. At this point, we've been talking for over 2 years, but we've never met in person.
And I don't see her here. Oh, wow, surprise, huh?
It's raining, no?
It is.
Yeah.
I'm filming you.
Just like, oh my gosh, yeah.
Good morning from Makati, Manila, the Philippines. It's 4 a.m. and we are packed up and ready to go. Where are we going?
Samar!
Samar. We're going to Samar this morning. This is our room here in Makati. It's just a small room. We're on the 30th floor of the Jazz Residence. It's got a TV, refrigerator, microwave, kettle, rice cooker, washing machine, and a shower. So simple enough. This room cost about $38 a night. We have an 8 a.m. flight to Samar. We got up so early because it's so hard to get a cab here at this time. Because it's 4:30 in the morning, we already have a cab on the way. It's a really nice building and people are friendly as can be. Good morning. Yes, Elvie. Yes, Elvie. You got here very quickly this morning. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Good morning.
It's Samar, yay! That's the plane we took. Little twin-engine prop plane. It's an easy flight today. Manila Airport. We got there really early because we hadn't been able to have luck getting cabs. But at 4:35 in the morning, you can get a cab in Manila. The plane ride, we're here 30 minutes early. We're going to meet some of Elvie's friends.
Hi, my love. Thank you po. Hello, Hello. Nice to meet you.
Did I do it right? Alright, let's see. We're taking one of these things, huh? This is awesome. Heck yeah. Alright, let me take this off.
Your wish granted. Diba you like to ride a bicycle?
Yeah. There's a motorbike under here somewhere. go. Thank you. Where are we, Ellie?
We're here in Gaisano.
Yes, I know. And where are we going now?
It's like the one of the province.
A province mall.
We're going to find, we're going to eat
Jollibee, because every Filipino loves Jollibee.
But they have also a McDonald's.
Oh, they have McDonald's too?
Yeah.
But Jollibee is better.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jollibee's better.
I love Jollibee.
No Jollibee here, so I want to show you where we ended up. We ended up at McDonald's. At McDonald's here, of course, we got the hash browns. But look at this. That's fried chicken at McDonald's, and this is rice with gravy. So there's some different things there. This is sausage, mushrooms, gravy, egg, and rice. So they gave us sugar. Why did they give us sugar, Elvie?
I don't know.
What does it go on?
Maybe.
Oh, the sugar goes on the hash brown. Well, that's new. Okay, cool. We'll try it.
Sure, this one is a potato.
It's potato, yeah, it's hash brown. Have you had it before?
No.
That's what we have instead of rice. Let's go. Let's see. See if I can. Oh, sorry. Okay. Almost, yes. Hi.
Yeah.
Good thing I like you.
So it looks like a family.
Yeah. See if I can get out of here. There we go, thank you. There we go. From this one, now we go to this van. Here we go. Next step is a van. We'll ride this for an hour and a half, and then we get on a boat. And then we're going to take a boat for, I don't know, to the next island. So here we are on the side of the road. Thank you. Oh, you guys riding that one? We ride this one? Right here. Oh, okay. Strong. Let's see how strong. And off we go. Yeah, this feels safe. Feels good to get some air. That van was hot. I've ridden a lot of those little vans. Never had a great experience in one. They're always hot. Sometimes they break down beside the road. They're always full. But they also always get you where you're going. Eventually. A little parade of people on bicycles. Check out this furniture made out of Coke bottles. Little love seats, even a table. This is our next transportation. Take one of these boats to that far island, and then from there, we'll transport by land again.
What are you doing?
I'm watching. I want to see these motorcycles get loaded. They're going to load these motorbikes on here too at some point. Oh, okay, up here. Thank you. Can Elvie do it? Yes, she can. Can Brian do it? I don't know. Yes.
This one?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, this one's us, and then this one. Welcome to the island of waving hearts. Okay, we had to check into the island. We had to show our passports and vaccine cards to be here. And it looks like we got to pay 20 pesos. Back on the tricycle again.
Yeah. Last ride.
Last ride.
This is our last ride.
Next stop will be our beach house, or beach room, or beach something. Water is crystal clear. Oh, we're here, huh? Okay. We can cook up here too. So there's one of the rooms. These little A-frames open out. This is 2 rooms. The close one, the A-frame is closed. The far one is opened up. Okay, this is going to be our room for the next few days. Open it up for us. Nice and easy. Look at that breeze. Huge ocean right there. It's on. Okay, so we got up about 4 a.m. this morning. We took a cab to the airport, then we took a plane, then we took a motorized tricycle, then we took a van, then we took a pedal tricycle, then we took a boat, then we took a motorized tricycle again to get here. And it is now 3:30 p.m. A long day, but well worth it. The rain's coming in. I think we'll call this home for the next 3 or 4 days at least. Lots of dead coral on the beach.